हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू कॉम्पिटिटर्स वर्ल्ड। कॉम्पिटिटर्स वर्ल्ड को आपण मानको स्वागत। सो दिस इज पार्ट 3 ऑफ द प्रीवियस पेपर्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर ओडिशा स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमिशन। ओके, सो वर्तमान आम एवरीडे बेसिस रे प्रीवियस ईयर कंप्यूटर क्वेश्चन गुड़ाक सब डिस्कसन करवा। आज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इन विंडोज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम the default folder available to keep personal files or folders is विंडोज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम रे व्यक्तिगत फाइल और फोल्डर गुड़ी को रखापी उपलब्ध डिफॉल्ट फोल्डर डैश अटे। ऑप्शन ए माई कंप्यूटर माई फोल्डर, ऑप्शन बी माई टेक्स्ट, ऑप्शन सी एंड माई फाइल्स दैट इज ऑप्शन डी। सो ये राइट आंसर हम माई डॉक्यूमेंट्स। जी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को, डैश इज RAM that stored on a hard disk by extending portion of its available disk capacity। डैश होची RAM जहाँ एक उपलब्ध डिस्क क्षमता रो किछि अंश एक्सटेंड करी एक हार्ड डिस्क स्टोर हुए। भोलाटाइल मेमोरी, वर्चुअल मेमोरी, यूएसबी मेमोरी एंड नॉन भोलाटाइल मेमोरी। सो ये राइट आंसर होची दैट इज भोलाटाइल मेमोरी। व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट की फॉर वार्म बूटिंग? सो ये राइट आंसर हम वार्म बूटिंग रो शॉर्टकट की होची कंट्रोल प्लस ऑल्ट प्लस डिलीट, ऑप्शन सी। जीवा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को, डैश इज ए सब डिविजन ऑफ ए ट्रैक ऑन मैग्नेटिक डिस्क और ऑप्टिकल डिस्क। ऑप्शन ए लेयर, ऑप्शन बी वेक्टर, ऑप्शन सी सेक्टर एंड ऑप्शन डी दैट इज क्लस्टर। सो ये राइट आंसर होची दैट इज सेक्टर। A sector is a subdivision of track on magnetic disk or optical disk. Next question, question number 5. What is post in computer? Computer रे post कहा को कहती? Post रो full form होची power on self test. Okay. Option C is the right answer. Option question number 6 को जिबा, the input device that resembles an upside down mouse। एक इनपुट डिवाइस जहाँकि ओलोटा माउस भली सदृश हुए ताको कौन कहती? ओलोटा माउस, ट्रैक बॉल, स्टाइलस, कीबोर्ड, लाइट पेन। सो इट राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए दैट इज ट्रैक बॉल। ओके, सो लुक एट द पिक्चर। दिस इज ए पिक्चर ऑफ ए ट्रैक बॉल एंड इट लुक्स लाइक ए अपसाइड माउस। गोटे ओलटी जाउथिबा माउस पर देखा जाए ट्रैक बॉल टी। लुक एट दिस। Next question, that is question number 7. How many bytes make 1 kilobyte? गोटे किलोबाइट कितने बाइट सह समान? सो राइट आंसर इज 1024 bytes. Okay, so let us go through the chart. Okay, so ये चार्ट टी मु आगर आपन को शो करथिली। 1 nibble is equal to 4 bit, 2 nibble is equal to 1 byte, 1 byte is equal to 8 bit and 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes, 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes, 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes. So this is very important. Okay, so jiba next question ko. The next question is, that is question number 8. Which generation do voice recognition applications belong to? Voice recognition application क्यों पीढ़ी बा generation अंतर्गत अटे? So the right answer is that is 5th generation. Okay, so I had a discussion regarding all the generations of computer, so let us go through it. So let us look into the 5 generations of computer. So the first generation, that is called vacuum tube. Second generation, that is transistor based. The third generation, that is integrated circuit based. Fourth generation is microprocessor based, and fifth generation, that is artificial intelligence based. Okay, so if I'll talk about the first generation computer, this is basically based on the vacuum tubes, and these are very heavy and large computers, and these were not ideal for programming. Okay, why? Because they did not have any operating system. If I'll talk about the examples of first generation computer, ANIVAC, EDVAC, UNIVAC. Okay, these are the first generation computer. If I'll talk about the second generation computer, that is use of transistors were there. The transistors were made up of semiconductors. Okay, the examples of second generation computers: Fortran, Algol, COBOL. These are the second generation computers. If I will talk about the third generation computers, okay, during the third generation computers, integrated circuits were prevalent. Okay, if I'll talk about the fourth generation computer, there were microprocessor technology was used. Technology that is multi-processing, multi-programming, time sharing, operating speed, virtual memory were introduced. Okay, if you'll talk about the fifth generation computer, the use of artificial intelligence and voice recognition was there. So let us look into the pictures. This is a picture of the first generation computer, okay, which were made by the vacuum tubes. This is a second generation computer that is made up of transistors. Okay, use of transistors were there. This is a third generation computer where integrated circuits were being used. This is a fourth generation computer where the use of microprocessor technology was used. Look at this. This is a fifth generation computer where the use of artificial technology, voice recognition has been introduced. Okay, so let us move to the next question. This is question number 9. You can add sequential numbers to a row of data in Excel by using dash. ଆପଣ ଡ୍ୟାଶ୍ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରି ଏକ୍ସେଲ୍ରେ ଏକ ଡାଟାର ରୋରେ କ୍ରମିକ ସଂଖ୍ୟା ଯୋଡ଼ିପାରିବେ. ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ଅଟୋ ସମ୍, ଅଟୋ ଫର୍ମାଟ୍, ଫିଲ୍ଟର ଆଣ୍ଡ ଫାଇଲ୍ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଲ୍. ସୋ ଏଠି ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେଉଛି ଫିଲ୍ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଲ୍. ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ଡି. କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ନମ୍ବର 10 କୁ ଯିବା. ଡ୍ୟାଶ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ଇନ୍ ମାଇକ୍ରୋସଫ୍ଟ ୱାର୍ଡ଼ will display the documents on screen to get understanding of how the hard copy would look like. Microsoft Word रे थिबा डैश ऑपरेशन डॉक्यूमेंट ऑन स्क्रीन प्रदर्शन करिवो जेथुरु प्रिंट हेबा परे हार्ड कॉपी किपरि देखा जिवो ताहा जणा पड़िवो. सो सेटा कहंती प्रिंट प्रीव्यू. ऑप्शन सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट की टू कट एनी टेक्स्ट. एटा शॉर्टकट की कोन टेक्स्ट को कट करिया पई. That is Control plus X. If I talk about Control plus C, that is to copy a text. Control plus T, that is to open a new tab in the web browser. Control plus V, that is control paste. Paste करिया ପାଇଁ Control plus V shortcut use व्यवहार. Dash displays thumbnail views of your slides. That is, here the right answer is slide sorter. So slide sorter view displays the thumbnail views of your slides. Next question. Websites such as Facebook and Twitter are classified as dashed sites. Here the right answer is, that is social media sites. Facebook and Twitter are called. Next question को ଯିବା. The dash submenu in MS Word is used to send documents for them to work on and they can track their change. ସେଥିରେ କାମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସହକର୍ମୀଙ୍କୁ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ପଠାଇବା ଏବଂ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟରେ ହେଉଥିବା କାମକୁ ଟ୍ରାକ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ MS Word ଥିବା ଡ୍ୟାଶ୍ ସବମେନୁ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇଥାଏ. ଏହାକୁ ସେୟାର କହନ୍ତି. ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ସେୟାର, ଟୁ ସେୟାର ଏ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ. 15. Dash component of a software or application through which the user can fill input and receive a response, which consists of form and button control. So ସେଟାକୁ କ'ଣ କହନ୍ତି? That is called user interface ତାକୁ କହନ୍ତି. Next question. We can refresh the connection outside the webbook in Excel using dash. ଆମେ ଏକ୍ସେଲରେ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରି webbook ବାହାରେ କନେକ୍ସନକୁ ରିଫ୍ରେଶ କରିପାରିବା. ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କହନ୍ତି? That is called data connection. Question number 17. A unique number that is assigned to any device connected to the internet ताको कहती IP address. Next. crimes committed using computers and internet are called. कंप्यूटर एवं इंटरनेट व्यवहार करी करा जाउथुवा अपराध को कौन कहती? दैट इज कॉल्ड साइबर क्राइम. The basic idea of solving a complex problem by breaking down into smaller sub problems is termed as. ताको कौन कहती? ब्रेकडाउन ना सब प्रोग्राम ना डिकम्पोजिशन ना स्प्लिट अप, सो एटा कहते डिकम्पोजिशन. The solving of a complex problem by breaking it down into smaller sub problems. Next question. Which of the following input device on a computer? So computer e kota input device. So the input device is mouse. So let us look into it. So here is a chart of input and output devices. So if I'll talk about the input devices, that is keyboard, scanner, trackball, MICR, touchpad, touch panel, joystick, barcode reader, mouse, and OCR. These are the input devices. Okay, so look at the output devices. So the output devices are printer, computer, GPS, speaker, headphone, okay, video record, sound card, monitor, projector. These are the, so that is video card. These are the output devices. So this is all about for today's session. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel for further updates. Thank you so much. May God bless you.